Hello, in today's video I will show you how to use ElevenReader to listen to articles and PDFs. After we open our app, we have two options, rather four, but we will just focus on these two. We have an option to upload the file and scan the text. Also, one of the important options are write the text. So if you have an article on your phone and you don't want to read it, you can just copy the text and paste it here, and you will just can listen to it. If you have a PDF or a PDF article or the book, you can just upload the file, and after a few seconds or minutes it will be uploaded, and then you can listen to it as an audiobook. Also, you can close the app and it will be working, so you don't need to worry about you losing the battery of your phone. And as you can see, it needs to import, and after it imports, I will just stop here to not listen to it, as you can see. And here we can change the preferences, voices, or hide even the text if you just want to listen and keep the app open. Also, if you have an article in a physical version, you can just scan the text and you will also be able to listen to it. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.